Nikki. Today I want to share with you my monthly wellness subscription box. Look at this. This is the thing. You know how everybody's crazy about the mystery boxes that you get, that you order maybe pet things or kids things or clothing, and you get surprised by what they select for you? Well, I've been ordering a monthly wellness subscription now for years, and I wanted to share with you what comes in my wellness subscription and to tell you how you can take advantage. So mine's not a mystery though, what I'm getting in my box, because I get to select every month what I want in my box that is going to help me be healthier. But if you want a mystery box, I can set one up for you, and I can pick out the products that you might need each and every month. So let's get started with some of my order this month. So I got me a little protein mix here. This is a low carb one. I'm not going to talk a lot about that one because I just do that for baking goods. But this one is the new improved French vanilla meal replacement shake, the Life Shake. I love this. I'm obsessed with it. I use it for smoothies. I make oatmeal and make a little pudding to put with this on my oatmeal. I make muffins with it. I have a whole recipe book for this. I absolutely love this for my breakfast meal. It just starts my whole day. And then I combine it. That's my shake. I combine it with my vitamin strip. This right here is an amazing vitamin strip. It comes like this. My favorite thing about this one right here is this Vivix in here. It repairs DNA damage on the cellular level. How amazing is that? Think about the impact that can have on our wellness. I'm so excited about that every month. There's some great fish oils in here, as well as my multivitamin and my B and C complex. Simple. I don't have to buy a whole bunch of bottles and open them up every day. I used to buy 16 bottles to get everything that was in this. So easy, reduced packaging, just wonderful. And if you order that on a monthly basis, I can show you how to get discounts. Okay, another product that I have in here is part of our sports nutrition. This is called our Energy Chews. I use this before I go to my personal training session. It really helps me power through my workout, gives me a burst of energy. But also I use this when I'm working on a project, when I'm requiring a lot of mental capacity. I chew one of these. It tastes like a Starburst. It's just amazing. Gives me a boost of energy, but it helps me focus and have more clarity because it's loaded with B vitamins, and it's got a natural caffeine boost from green tea. Excellent, excellent product. Delicious. Another part of our sports nutrition line, and I'm no athlete, let me tell you, but I love the sports nutrition stuff because like this right here is Hydrate. This has electrolytes in it. It's very low calorie. It's got little sticks, and you just put it in your water. And let me tell you something. It's that time of year, cold and flu everywhere, right? You know the number one reason people wind up in the hospital? Dehydration. So if you or your little ones get sick, you make sure you're getting them some electrolytes. And this is a great thing to have in your natural medicine cabinet. And I'm going to move on because you know what? Our little one came home with a cold last week. I don't want that cold. No, 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 no. Well, we started boosting her immune system with the vitamin C's. We just increased these chewable C's. They're just amazing. Kids love them. They taste like a little sour tart or something delicious. So not only do we have her taking these, we're taking extra. And then I bought this. It's called Nutriferon. And I want to tell you a little story about this product because it's an amazing product. This was created by Dr. Kojima, who won the Nobel Peace Prize in Medicine for discovering interferon. Interferon plays a very important role in our immune system. They created a drug, interferon, to use in cancer treatments. It's used today very widely. But Dr. Kojima was not satisfied with that discovery. He thought, well, if we can do that with medicine, what can we do on the prevention side? What can we create in a supplement with plants that will have our body boost its own immune system? And he spent 40 years researching plant extracts, and he came up with this formula. It's highly tested, lots of clinical studies and proof on this. This right here, amazing product to boost your immune system. And I ordered 4 of these because I don't want to run out. And then I heard, and this is kind of sad, but You know, in China, they got the coronavirus scare going on, and they've already sold out of this in Shaklee, China. And so anyway, I was thinking ahead before I even saw that, and I said, uh-oh, I don't want this to sell out if that coronavirus comes over here. We need to boost our immune systems no matter what. Regardless of that, there's plenty of germs and viruses going around all the time, and our best defense is prevention. I mean, we need to be preventing it. That's the best cure, is don't get it. Vitamin D, another very important part for our immune system. We'll talk more about that in another video. I start every day with my energy tea, Now, I love coffee, don't get me wrong, but I always start with this. Coffee's a treat. This is my everyday energy tea. It is green, red, and white tea blend, full of antioxidants. Everything in here is good for you, and it tastes delicious. More shake mix. And I told you I ordered a whole bunch of these immune. I do not want to run out of my Nutrifurin. Mine works. Okie dokie. How many of you want to improve your memory or your focus, or want to prevent early cognitive decline? This one, I'm doing a talk about this on brain health. I'm going to do a webinar about it too. Listen, guys. Brain health is so important. I mean, your brain runs everything. If your brain ain't working right, ain't nothing working right. Mine works. Remember that. Mine works. Now, why in the world would I have a sponge in here? I'll tell you why. Because I have this on monthly auto because I want a reminder to replace my sponge every month. You should too. Hey, I don't know if I told you, but this is customizable every month. I go in there and I change. I mix and match what I'm ordering. I don't get the same thing every month. Well, some things every month I get, like these meal bars, because I love these. This is a replacement of an entire meal in a little bar, a candy bar, but it's healthy. It's got all the nutrients I need for a meal, and it's loaded with protein. Let me tell you, I just want to tell you, this is 270 calories, and it is, where's my protein? 18 grams of protein, which is going to help you feel full longer. And the reason I have these is because I keep these in my purse. If I'm out and about and I don't have time to eat and I get really, really hungry, instead of going through a fast food and buying some junk, which is expensive, one, and no nutritional value to speak of, I grab my little bar that's about $3 for a meal that's healthy and good for me, and I can't live without these. I also have snack bars because sometimes I just need a little sweet snack. These are my favorite. They're chocolate and coconut, and let me give you a little hint. Take it out of the wrapper, please. Put it in the microwave for 10 seconds. And it's going to come out tasting like you just pulled out some brownies out of the oven. Oh, yummy, 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 yummy. Oh, I might have to have one now. And what's next? More immunity. This right here, I also use this every day. It's designed for when you feel that first tickle. And what it is it's a little effervescent tablet that you put in water. I like to put it in hot water, but you can put it in cold water. And it fizzes and dissolves, and it gives you the vitamin C of 16 oranges, as well as a whole bunch of vitamins and minerals and really good herbs like Japanese honeysuckle and echinacea, all these herbs that really boost that immune system. Little one got some of this. This is easy to get in the little ones because you just make them their little juice, and they just love it, love it, love it. That's it. That's my wellness box. Woohoo, meal bars galore. So here's the thing. Did you know that if you get a monthly wellness subscription of $100 every month with Shaklee, you are going to be earning loyalty rewards towards free products? I just checked my account. I've already earned over $500 in rewards. I want to show you how shopping at one wellness store like Shaklee that has over 330 wellness products that you can trust. They're safe, they're proven, they're guaranteed money back if you're not fully satisfied. They've never had a mandatory recall, so the products are safe. If you want to make it simple on yourself, just create your monthly wellness subscription account and let us teach you how to maximize how you get the points. And it's very customizable. You're not locked into anything. You can get out anytime you want. It's just an amazing program. So I would like for you to reach out to me or your Shaklee distributor about how you can set up a monthly wellness subscription. Thank you for watching, and stop by my website, wellnesslady.com.